second question, just on the president's statements in Maguindanao last week, he was talking about his big disappointment with the fact that there's been a new spate of violence in BARMM. Does he hold the Bangsamoro Transition Authority responsible for these incidents of violence? And in connection with that, is the president still supportive of the bid of the BTA to extend the transition period?
Una-una, hindi po niya sinisi ang BARMM. Alam naman po natin na nagkakalat ng lagim dyan sa BARMM ay mga bandido, BIFF, no? Splinter groups of BARMM. So it's an expression of exasperation, at the same time a warning that the state will not tolerate itong mga acts of violence na ito. No? Pangalawa, he continues to be supportive po of the initiative for the transition.
Okay, and lastly, sir, the BTA was supposed to have presented a plan on how to address the violence by the BIF during their meeting with the president. We just want to know if how the president received it and ano pong thoughts niya on how the BTA can solve the problems of violence in the region.
I have no information. I'll check because that only happened last week. No? So I'll check, Pia.
The President certify as urgent the proposed measure seeking to extend the term of Bangsamoro Transition Authority by another 3 years.
Umuusad na po yan. No? At ang importante, palaging inuulit ni Presidente ito, no? Bagamat he can certify anything as urgent, kapag naman ang Kongreso hindi talaga convince, mahihirapan din po. Alam niyo po, lilinawin ko, yung certification of urgency, it only means hindi na dadaan sa separate reading yung yung second and third reading, no? Hindi na mag-aantay ng enrolled bill. Kinakailangan kasi i-print yan bago butuhan. Pero kapag certified urgent, hindi na po dadaan sa ganung proseso, isang butuhan na lang. Pero kung talagang walang suporta, problema pa rin. No? Although, of course, the certification itself will be a signal na importante sa administrasyon to. Pero ang sa mulat-mula, ang sinasabi ni Presidente, respetuhin din natin yung right to self-determination ng lahat ng mamamayan dyan sa area na yan. Kaya kinakailangan makipag-ugnayan sa mga senador, makipag-ugnayan sa mga representante ng mga probinsyang apektado.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.